should hold myself dear, for I have recognized the great deceit that love was doing to me. For with fair semblance he has kept me foolishly for more than 10 years, like a bad debtor who always promises but would never pay. With the fair semblance that false love brings, he draws foolish lovers to him and holds them fast, like the moth that has so foolish a nature that it throws itself into the fire for the brightness that shines. But I am leaving him and will follow another way. His ill reward, otherwise I would not leave him. And I will follow the path of every good sufferer who grows angry as strongly as he humbles himself. But I do not think, though I am angered and make my rancor of her in song, that I will ever say anything that does not seem measured. Oh! But let her know well that I am lost to her service, for never would she lead me a day on a bridle. Instead she made me do my power all the time and always. A horse of great value, if it leans too often, grows angry. I would be happy, but I have held myself back, for he who takes too much against one stronger than himself does great folly. And even in danger he is not equal, for he can be conquered. And to do it against one weaker is villainy. So I never liked nor like excess, but in sense one should guard honor. For shame and sense I value no more than folly. Therefore love I have given up serving you, for I will no longer care for it. For just as one values an uglier painting from far away, not when one comes close, I valued you more when I did not know you. And if I ever wanted you now, I would not want you, for it has happened to me as to the foolish alchemist who said that everything he touched would be gold. Therefore, love, I have given up serving you. I am leaving him and will follow another way. Fair Nazimans, if love oppressed you, you are in tough stamps, I would advise you. Only remember how much pain I have from it, and how much good you would never care for it at all. And plus, Lyle, if I saw you with my eyes, as I always do with my heart, what I have said could have value, for I seek counsel, and I would give counsel to you.